Wache kadinche ngami treasury lagiyo New York ni New York New Jersey puri tsame kuzap shuje chil tuji shida ani tiwala sem se de condition ngo sungure de condition ai pendishana atisha lobe atisha ge krang lojon na lo sem de la ani thama 중공 요마레 스트레스 티도 아니 샘세 먼저 지목하야 매워지 라바차야 매워지 그냥 초도 초야도 the same thing what the in English brief question what is the nature what is the source of our mind where does it come from we cannot see it we cannot taste it but it's there we feel it thank you
다 심 제간득인데 릭베 딱상 샤지 잔즈나 까요 말에 레타 마트 막셰팔라 요레스 대전 섭임 도르디거 갑나요 셈라 셈맘치 바 셈기랑시 옥사와 옥송온데 대내나 다리가 셈라 셈맘치 베제지 셈공 오르동아송 게다는 셈기랑시 옥사라세 긴데 랑정 송게 떠레 대나 또 셈도 돈 담발아 다리 깨와다 엄정아 내봐요 말다 그건 숲도 르르 사르도 르르 다리 떨떨 그 뭐 사르다도 요너래 대내나 또 다지 라미 망가 때이다나 또 런거 냠슬랑에다 또 셈기 오온즈나 마토 제면나 런커거 단디 먹을지 롭마모즈 그 초거지 셈기 람전들이 제이다리 타커 건저톤 시르고나요 지 하장 까본즈 인제 건 따리야나 티토다 다리 로존 시교다 하장 까르침보레.
Yes, if you were to analyze to find where the mind is, it cannot be found. But without analyzing, it seems to be there. And so it is as the sutras tell us, the sutras of the Tathagata, where it states that the nature of the mind is luminosity, is clear light. And so, given that the mind is empty by virtue of its essence, its nature is that it abides as luminous cognizance. And so from an ultimate or absolute point of view, the mind was never born and the mind never ceases. But from a relative point of view, there is still something that we have to deal with. And this we know. We know there is, and that's why we're here. And so in order to know exactly how to approach this, one has to receive the pointing out instructions from a spiritual master who is qualified to give them. And then you can learn as a disciple how to identify the mind's nature. And then you will rest in the nature of the mind. And if you try to do this by yourself, it's very difficult. So that's why it's important to go through this process.